Hey guys, welcome back to A Day in the Life with Derica. As you can tell by that thumbnail, and as you can tell by the title, you already know what this video is going to be about. But today, or this morning, I will be packing up my shoes. Like all the shoes that I don't wear, like my winter shoes, like boots and stuff. Because if you guys know, and if you don't know, I will be moving soon. So I kind of been procrastinating on doing this, even though I'm so ready to move, y'all. Like, ooh, I'm so ready to move. Like, I'm just so ready for a whole new start. I'm just ready to get away from where I'm at right now. But anyways, I have been procrastinating on making this video because this is my first time moving. I've been in this house ever since I was born. Like, literally, never moved a day in my life. But not only that, but it's just like, just packing up this house alone was a lot. So think about me just packing up my stuff and packing up anything else. I kind of just been procrastinating on doing it because that's a lot. Just packing up. And yeah, some of these shoes, most of these shoes I've only worn like one time. And I'm looking at some, and some I've never worn. Like literally never worn. Like I got some Crocs that I've never worn. I have 2 pair of Crocs that I've never worn. I got them for I think my 18th birthday. I got them for my 18th birthday when I went down to the beach and went to the Crocs place store in like the little outlet plaza thing. And I never wore 2 pair of my Crocs. Yeah, but like I said, I might pack up my winter clothes and like my hot clothes. I might do that in this video too, but I ain't keeping no promises. I don't know because like I said, it's a lot and I really don't want to do this. I just thought about doing it today because why not? I have nothing else to do. I'm done with school. Well, this semester. I'm done with this semester. Grades get put in today. Hopefully I got AB honor roll. Like y'all, I hope I have AB honor roll. But we'll see. But yeah, you guys, we go get into this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and also keep subscribing. I am on the road to 100 subscribers. So y'all get me there. Get me there. Why y'all ain't get me there? Get me there though. I believe in y'all. I believe in me. I have faith in me. Y'all, I'm on the way to 100 subscribers. So get me there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. So y'all, don't mind my little trash bag. I got these bags. They're big bags. Hold on. It's a big bag. Most of these shoes I'm throwing away. So I really need to go get a trash bag. Ready to move. We're going to start right here because these are boxes. And I also have boxes under there, under my dresser. So we're going to start right here. I have these. I worn these, I say, about 5 times that I know of. About 5 times. And y'all, these are my favorite 4s. Black and yellow. If you know my favorite color, then you know my favorite color is yellow. So these are my favorite 4s. Yeah. I do like to keep my boxes. If I can keep my boxes, I will keep them. And I can tell that this bag ain't gonna be big enough. These are gray 4s. I've never worn these. Well, I'm lying. I wore these twice. I wore them to class one day, and that was the first time me ever wearing them. And my pinky toe was hurting these, not gonna lie. And then I wore it a second time when I went downtown. I don't know why I went downtown. I just went downtown. And I tried them again to see if, you know, maybe I just need to break them in. Y'all, my light just went off. Oh my God. Just to break them in. But they still hurt my feet. So I don't really wear these. I don't wear these at all. And honestly, I think the people really gave me the wrong size. I wear a size 7. And these don't even have a size in them. On the box, it says a size 7. You know how they usually have a size? Oh, here you go. This is a size 7. It's on the side. Since when they start putting the stuff on the side? But yeah, y'all, don't mind the little lines. My lighting in here is terrible, and my lid light just went dead. But yeah, this is a size 7, but these things hurt my feet, so that's why I only wore them twice. These are ones. I wore these a lot of times. I don't know how many times, but I know I wore them a lot of times. I really like these. I really like them. I honestly don't know what made me get these. Like I said, I be putting in raffles just to test my luck to see if I win some shoes, and I won these. So I just got them because I want them. And I needed some more shoes. These are 3s. Like I said, I be putting in raffles just to see if I win them. And I wanted these. So I won the raffle for these. And I wore these like a lot of times. I don't know. I haven't worn these yet. Like I told y'all in my last video, these are 4s. But I haven't worn these yet. Like I said, I was testing my luck with these. I didn't win the raffle to the other 4s that I wanted. I think they were the violet 4s. Can you see them? Yeah. Those. I really wanted these. But I didn't win the raffle for those. So I put my raffle in for these, and I got these ones. And y'all, I want the Space Jam 11s. I did not get to get those last time they dropped. I really wanted those last time they dropped, and it was like years ago. But I didn't get those. So hopefully I win the raffle for those. If I don't, I know a person that got a shoe plug. So I'm getting those either way. But yeah, these, I haven't worn these. So I'm going to pack these up because I know I'm not going to wear these no time soon, if I'm being honest. I know I'm not going to wear these no time soon. I got to buy a whole outfit for these. And I also want to have a different hairstyle when I wear these. So, you know how some hairstyles go with some shoes and some hairstyles don't go with shoes. So the hairstyle I have now will not match these shoes. So, yeah. I won't be wearing these no time soon. I'm gonna let my LED light charge because I really do not like the lighting, and I don't like these lines in my video, even though they still be in there a little bit, but you cannot see them as bad as you see them now. So I will come back. You literally use one bag for like the boxes of shoes. Like I said, if I can keep the boxes to shoes, I do that because it feels like I have more space when I keep my shoes in the boxes. And it doesn't look so crowded when you have them in boxes. So yeah, I'm going to come back when my stuff charge up because I do not like this lighting. So be right back. I forgot where I stopped at, but I'm going to put all my Jordans with my Jordans. These, I wanted these so bad. And I only wore them. But my favorite Jordans are 13s, 12s, 11s, 4s. And that's about it. But yeah, I don't really like 3s. Like the 3s that I do have, I don't know. I don't really like those no more. But I wanted these. I got these, and I'm taking these because I might wear them. But honestly, these became my working shoes. Like I work in these shoes. I work in these. So yeah, these. I remember when I got these. I wanted these. These are my working shoes, so I'm gonna take these. Okay. This bag is done. If y'all hear my fan in the background, don't mind it. It's very hot in here. We'll put these boxes in there first. These are rain boots. I might not need these in Florida, but I'm gonna take them because they're really cute. And I have stuff to wear with these. I wore these one time, and it was on Christmas. I finally had a shirt to go with it. And also, I think me and my sister have matching ones. So that can go. Then I have, these are Sperry's. They're rain boots. And I've never worn these ones. I gotta find something to wear. I think I had these for a long time and I never worn them. So I gotta find something to wear with these. These are some more Sperry's. I wore these before I was working, so when I wore them, because it went with my jacket. These are my favorite Sperry's. I love these ones. But yeah. Let me see if I can. because I'm not gonna do another bag. Yeah, it fits. I wore these twice for what I remember. I wore these twice for what I remember. These I wore them twice, Steve Madden's. The thing broke on the back. So, but I'm gonna keep these because I really wanted these. I think I got these at the outlet in Florida. Last year, when I went to Orlando. These are the Crocs that I was talking about that I never wore. Well, I did wear these, I'm lying. I wore these at least one time with the yellow shirt that I had that I lost. It was a yellow crop top. And yeah, I took a picture of these. I remember these. Y'all, a lot of people been adding me on Snap, like, and I don't know why. I don't remember the last time I got these many people adding me on Snap, and I don't. It's kind of weird. Because I had somebody make a fake Snap and watch my Snaps. So it's kind of weird. I be a little skeptical on who I add on my Snapchat now. So I'm gonna ignore that. But yeah, I got these for when I went on my cruise. So I wore these, I don't even think I wore these on the cruise. If I'm being completely honest. I don't think I even wore these. I think I wore the other ones. I did wear the other ones. They're over. Oh. I wore these instead. Which I got for the cruise. Y'all had a lot of outfits. I bought a lot of outfits. And I bought shoes for every outfit that I had. So I wore these. I didn't wear these. I don't know why I didn't wear these, but I didn't wear them. So, yeah. These Crocs, they have the fur inside. I wore these. I don't know. I honestly don't remember wearing these, but they're dirty at the bottom. So, I wore them somewhere. I don't know where. I bought these for the cruise for the outfit where it was, I honestly don't think I recorded that part. And I didn't wear these. I wore my Yeezys because these weren't comfortable to wear. But I'm going to take these because I like these. I like them. These are like my slippers when I played softball, and I didn't have these at the time. So I wore these. And they look terrible. They look terrible. I'm not taking those. I'm taking these. These are some shoes that I can just wear around the house. I think I wore these like twice. I gotta break these in because these are a little tight. They're a little tight. I am ready to move. Like, I'm so ready to move. Y'all, I already found me a lash tech, a nail tech, somebody who can do my braids. I'm so ready. Oh my goodness. I'm so ready. And y'all, I've never been this so excited about braids before because I'm not really a braid person. But I really want a braid because I'm tired of wigs. And it's Florida, baby. My wigs, period, do not stand a chance in Florida heat. Period, point blank. And honestly, y'all, I'm thinking about getting a tattoo. A tattoo. Yeah. I've seen some tattoo folks down there, like on TikTok. I've seen them on TikTok. But here's one. I really want to do a hand tattoo. Can y'all see that? So let me find the other ones. I want those. And then I want a foot tattoo, of course. But I might not even get no foot tattoo because I don't need no foot tattoo. That's kind of... It's really not a foot tattoo. It's really more of an ankle tattoo. More than a foot tattoo. And I think I passed it. There you go. This is one. I said I wanted this one. I'm showing it again because now it looks better. You can actually see it. I like this one a little bit. This one. I really, really like this one. This one. But those are the ones that I really want. I have to choose because I can't get all of them. Okay. But yeah, like I said, I found me my camera. But yeah, like I said, I found me a lash tech. I found me a nail tech. And she does this all, like, y'all, ooh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. She's all in one. Like, she's a lash tech and she's a nail tech. And I guess she got some good prices. And she actually do like waxes and stuff. And she has this thing where it's like these little bundle things. And I think it's really worth it. Like, you can get like a Brazilian wax with like a facial and any type of lashes that you want for like $2 something. And then the nails, her nails are like, I'm a shorties girl. I'm a real shorties girl. So she don't really charge that much for like short nails. I honestly don't know, I forgot the price. But yeah, y'all, I'm not playing. Period. I'm not playing. I done found an all-in-one girl who do lashes, nails, and everything. I found her. I found somebody who could do braids. I found 2 people who could do braids, actually. One of them provide the hair and one of them don't provide the hair. And I think I'm going to go with the one who provides the hair because I don't want to buy the hair. So, yeah. I'm excited for that. I'm excited. Honestly, I'm very excited. Very, very, very excited. I'm ready to move. Like I said, like I cannot express this enough. I'm ready to go. I hate it here. There's really nothing here for me. Nothing. I hate it. I freaking hate it. I hate it real bad. And y'all, I got some more shoes under there. I'm just not going to take those because I don't wear those. Like, at all. And honestly, I think I'm going to... I don't know. I don't even wear all these shoes. So I might not even take all these shoes if I'm being honest. But yeah, you guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for packing my shoes with me. I know y'all had a good time. But yeah, I'm trying to see if it's the one shoes. I'm not taking those. Those are old shoes. They're old Jordans. I have 2 pair of 13s. I have some slides. I have some old slides that I don't wear. I have some felines that I don't wear. I have some 12s that I don't wear. And then some more sandals that I don't wear. So yeah, I'm finna go back through this bag because I might not even take all these shoes because I don't wear some of these shoes. So there's really no need for me to take shoes that I don't really wear. But yeah, you guys, that is the end of this video. Why did my light just change? I don't know. I got them in this bag. Honestly, like I said, I'm going to go through some of these again because I do not wear some of these shoes. So why would I take them if I don't wear them? Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed packing my shoes with me, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm not even going to lie. I have a bad habit of recording videos and not editing them the same day. So I'm going to get better with that. I have a video that I need to edit from Friday. So yeah, and it's Monday. So I have a video. I have 2 videos I need to edit. And I'm going to get these videos to you guys back to back. I hope I do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment. Continue to subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching.